In today's video, you will learn how to make shampoo using comfrey to control oiliness and revitalize your hair. Have you ever heard about comfrey? Originally from Russia, common comfrey is a plant with big, coarse leaves. Its flowers are yellow, cream, or pink, and the roots are dark and shaped like a turnip. The main indication of glycolic extract of comfrey is for anti-acne and anti-wrinkle formulas, and it is also used for dry skin and hair. Used in the cosmetics industry to make creams, shampoos, hair tonics, gels, shower creams, etc. It has anti-inflammatory, antiseptic, healing, and moisturizing properties. If you use comfrey shampoo, you will notice a deep cleanse in your hair, controlled oiliness, faster growth, all while making the hair stronger from the roots. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. To make comfrey shampoo at home, write down the ingredients. 6.75 ounces neutral shampoo, preferably salt-free. 0.33 ounces comfrey extract or essential oil. You can find it at natural health stores or beauty shops. 0.33 ounces Jabarandi extract or oil, great for moisturizing hair. How to do it? Just mix all ingredients well and keep it in a bottle with a lid. Your homemade comfrey shampoo can be used frequently, like the usual daily use shampoos. Jabarandi oil will stimulate even more hair growth. Cool, isn't it? To use it, apply the shampoo to your hair and gently massage the scalp. Let it act for 3 minutes, then rinse with water. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.